To put your MacBook Neo in safe mode, the first thing you need to do is turn off the laptop. So go to the Apple logo in the top left corner, select shutdown, and confirm you want to shut down your laptop. With the MacBook off, you want to go to the power button and press and hold that power button until you see the startup options. So just continue holding. Even after you see the Apple logo, just keep holding. And then it says loading startup options. Then now you can let go and allow your laptop to load startup options. Once they're loaded, you should now see Macintosh HD and options. So select Macintosh HD and then press and hold the shift button, and then you'll see it now says continue in safe mode. Now you can go ahead and click on that and then let go. Just make sure you click on where it says continue in safe mode and then select that. Now your laptop should restart and boot into safe mode. And you can tell it's in safe mode because it's gonna say safe boot at the top here in red. Thanks for watching and good luck.